Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have August Boxycharm Premium Box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so I have my August Boxycharm Premium Box, and I received my replacement base box from July. And when I did that lovely unboxing last month, I did ask if you guys wanted to see my replacement box because I don't know if it was going to be the same items, different items, that kind of thing. And a lot of you guys said you wanted to know. So I will go ahead and open up this one after this for the ones that did want to see it. I will do this one now for the ones that only want to see this one. So let's go ahead and dive in. Again, this is my premium box, and let's see what we're going to have. For the ones that want to know the weight, this is 1.8 pounds. And let's get in here and see what we have. Boxycharm Premium, and that's what the presentation looks like when you open it up. So let me remove this guy here. Okay, you guys, so in my premium box, I do not have a card. So I'm not going to know values or product information or what variation I have. So this is going to be an unknown variation. I have no clue, but let's go ahead and just see what we have. The first thing right here says after spa slip-on exfoliator. It looks like you just slip it over your hand, and I don't know why that seemed weird. You slip it over your hand and you massage your body with it. So what it looks like right there in that picture. Again, I don't know how much any of this stuff is valued at, but this is what it looks like. It looks like one of those little sports bands that you wear on your wrist when you're like working out, and like the little sweat bands. But I guess you just put this on your hands and you wash your body with it. So, that like tickles like the palm of my hand like that. Alrighty then. So there's that. So you can exfoliate your body with a workout like band. You can be in the shower, be like, work it, girl. You know. Okay, so the next thing that we have here is Dermalict. I'm not quite sure how you, I don't know. XL Lash Volumizer is what this is right here. So let's see. And that's what it looks like right there. It's clear. Transform lashes to appear longer, thicker, fuller, and stronger. Eyelash and eyebrow boost formula. Formulated with strengthening trio of activating multi-peptides. Application before bedtime. Apply to clean, dry lashes from root to tip and leave on. Also recommended for eyebrows. So it's just like a little lash serum to help strengthen your eyelashes, which is good because I'll try anything to help strengthen my little girls, but you know, there's that. Okay, you guys, so now we have is a Gerard Cosmetics eyeliner. This is like a liquid eyeliner, so I'm definitely not going to open this because I do not use liquid eyeliners. I will save these for a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. Now we have is a MAC Cosmetics Stain Lipstick in the color 810 Flesh Spot. It is definitely a nude. It's definitely too light for me, so I'm not even going to touch it or anything. And this is going to go in a future giveaway for one of you guys as well. I don't know why companies are using all these light, like nude colors lately. I understand it's summer, but that doesn't mean summer does not mean light, nude, boring, blah, less color. That does not mean that. It means nice, vibrant, bold colors is what I think of when I think of summer. But you know, that's just me. Okay, you guys, so now we have is a Ciate London, the Editor Palette, New England. And let's see what colors we have in here. So when you open it up, here are the colors inside. It seems like a whole lot of shimmers. And if you follow me, you know I only like to use a lighter shimmer on my lower lid. Everything else is mattes for me. And in here, like the only matte color is this one, this one, this one, and this one. Everything else looks like it has a shimmer to it. And I've tried Ciate London's formula before on palettes and I wasn't too fond of them. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this palette, but I know I'm not going to use it. So I'll probably put it in a future giveaway or give it to like a family member or something, but I'll pass this along to somebody else who will hopefully be able to enjoy it, because I know I won't. And the last item in here is a Sunday Riley High Dose Retinol Serum A+. This I'm excited about. And let's see here. And I think these are pretty expensive. Ooh, and I've never received anything like that. That bottle is really pretty. I love that like ombre with the teal. I love that bottle. Holy moly, I love that bottle. All right, so I love this. This probably is really, really expensive. And it's a heavy little glass jar. And I love the way that that looks. Yes, I love that bottle. I love those colors. So it says for directions, apply 1 to 2 pumps in the evening to clean dry skin. For targeted instructions, see below. And it says for new retinol users, use 2 days on and 2 days off. Work your way up to every other day, then to daily use. Okay, so you basically have to wean yourself into using this. And then for advanced retinol users, use daily in the evening, follow with hydrating oil or moisturizer like the CEO Glow or Juno. Use the AHA serum like Good Genes lactic acid treatment in the mornings to sweep away dead skin cells. For sensitive skin, apply a few drops of the gentle hydrating oil like CEO Glow or Juno to your skin before applying this serum. So that's really cool. It gives you some little tips for if you've ever used this before, if you haven't, and if you have sensitive skin and what to do. So that's really neat. So I really, really like this item. So for $35 for my premium box this month, I got this, which I'm super, super excited about. And I know this is more than $35. So this is worth the whole entire box to me. We have the Ciate London palette, which will go to somebody. We have the eyeliner and the MAC lipstick, which will go to somebody. We have the lash serum that I will definitely check out, and then this slip-on exfoliator. So now let's go ahead and get into my replacement box from last month's July box. And let's see. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm seeing completely different items inside, and I do not have a Lowe's packing slip or empty boxes just lingering in here, so it's already a good start. So this one says was variation 68. So 68 is what I got last fall for my replacement. And let's see what products we have in here this time. Okay, so the palette is the same though, from the broken palette that I had before. So the palette is the same and everything else looks pretty much different. Okay, so the first thing says Garden Rose. This is a nude stick, rock and roller, easy eyeliner ink. So here's like a liquid eyeliner. And again, I don't use liquid eyeliner. This one does not have like a seal or anything on it, so I'm not going to open it because this will go to one of you guys. This is the Nude Stick Rock and Roller. Easily achieves eye lining perfection with this high pigmented, sweat-proof, smudge-proof, waterproof liner that stays on a 24-hour wear-resistant finish. And it looks like the color it would be Golden Rose. And this is valued for $26. So that is, well, this entire box is $25. So this is $1 more than the entire box, and you get all the other items. So there's that. Then next we have is Babe Lashes Essential Serum. Didn't I just get a serum in the other one? Yes, I did. This one's valued at $59, and it looks like that. So this one I'm not going to open because now I do have quite a few of them opened already, so I don't know what I'll do with this one. But this one's valued at $59, and it is a Lash Essential Serum. There's the packaging by Babe Lash. Okay, now we have the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. This was in my last box, but this was the culprit, I believe, that started the whole problems with that box, because this one was completely empty. The whole lid was off, the box was messed up, everything was wet and liquidy from this one. So this is my replacement. This is the Everyday Vacay Ciate London Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. And this guy right here is valued at $22. And it says that it has a coconut scent and healthy glow, takes you straight back to the beach. Let's see. Okay, so that's what the packaging and everything looks like. It is a really good big size. Yeah, the last one, this top was completely off and everything was drained out. So let's see. Ooh. That smells like a tropical... I keep doing it. That smells like a tropical, like, dream. That's very tropical scented because of the coconut. And it feels nice. I'm not even worried about how it feels. It just smells nice. I'm like, yeah, it does feel nice, but it smells really good. So there's that. And what was it valued at? $22? Okay, so now we have is a product by Fenty Beauty. It says Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder. And it looks like it's gold, of course. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder is the same smooth, hyper-reflective shimmer that comes pre-packed in Fairy Balm glittering pom-pom, now housed in a loose powder pot for precision and payoff. Pack this prismatic sparkle into your face, eyes, and body, valued at $28. I am not a gold fan, so I'm not even gonna open this. This will go in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. And it does have this little, so whoever does win it, when I put this in that giveaway, it does have this to put on the lid once you open it up. So there's that little piece that's right down in this little side thing. So there's that. So then the last item in here is the palette. Again, this is the same palette that I got last month, but it was broken. So here's this, it's the Pure palette. This is valued at $36. It's the Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. 12-piece pressed pigment palette. So it's 12 shadows and the outside looks just like that, all holographic. And then on the inside, it does have a large mirror, and this time nothing is broken. So there is that. So for my replacement, I have this palette. We have the setting spray. We have this Rihanna loose gold pigment. We have this gold rose eyeliner, and then we have a lash serum. So in this box, I'm glad that they replaced it for me, but you guys are gonna benefit from this box more than myself because a lot of these products I don't use. I'm going to only use this and this. Everything else will go to one of you guys. So that is everything, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the August premium box? What did you think of my replacement base July box? Did you get any of the same products from either one? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. If you guys don't already know, the base box is $25 with free shipping. Premium is $35 a month with free shipping. And then they have the Luxe, which is quarterly off of your base box. So every 3 months, they'll charge you an additional $24.95 or $24.99, basically $50 for that box, and it comes every 3 months. So if you have the base, you pay $25 for that month. When it's Luxe, they charge you an additional, basically $25, and then they send the Luxe box valued at $50 for that box. So that is the 3 different tiers that Boxycharm does have. And yeah, so again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought of my boxes and the products that are inside. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.